Ali, I always get confused about the present simple tense. Can you explain it to me?
Of course, the present simple tense is used to talk about habits, daily routines, general truths, and facts.
Oh, that sounds interesting. What is its structure?
The structure is simple. Affirmative sentences. Subject plus verb, base form, S, ES, plus. Object. Examples are, I play football every day. She drinks tea in the morning. They go to school by bus. Negative sentences. Subject plus, do, does, plus not, plus verb, base form, plus object. Examples are, I do not like coffee. She does not go to work on Sundays. He does not play cricket. Interrogative sentences. Do, does, plus subject plus verb, base form, plus object. Examples are, do you like ice cream? Does he watch movies? Do they speak English?
Okay, so we use do with I, you, we, they, and does with he, she, it in negative and interrogative sentences?
Yes, exactly. Also, when using he, she, it in affirmative sentences, we add s or s to the verb.
Can you give me more examples?
Sure. Examples of present simple tense habits and daily routine. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. She goes to the gym in the evening. We eat dinner at 8 p.m. General truths and facts. The sun rises in the east. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. A week has 7 days. Likes and dislikes. I like chocolate, but I don't like coffee. She loves reading books. He does not enjoy watching TV. Work and study. I work in an office. She studies at a university. Do you go to school by bus?
Wow, this is very helpful. But how can I practice it?
Let's do some practice exercises together. Do you wake up early?
Yes, I wake up early at 6 a.m.
What do you do after waking up?
I brush my teeth and have breakfast.
Does your brother play football?
No, he does not play football. He plays badminton.
Where do you live?
I live in Lahore.
Do you watch TV at night?
Yes, I watch TV before sleeping.
Does your mother cook every day?
Yes, she cooks dinner every night. Thank you so much, Ali. Now I understand the present simple tense better.
You're welcome. Keep practicing and you will become perfect.